Hello, first graders. It's Miss Chen here today, and what we're going to do in math is we're going to keep working on adding up to 20, and we're also going to learn a little bit about subtracting with numbers within 20. So first thing I want to ask you is, can you think of some numbers that you can add together that will get close to 20? What about these numbers? What about numbers 9, 10, and 7? If you're going to add two of these numbers together, what two numbers can you add and get really close to 20 but not go over? Good. Some people said that 10 plus 7 is 17. Somebody also told me, oh, Miss Chad, maybe 9 plus 7, that is 16. And somebody also said, what about 10 plus 9? That is 19. So looking at these equations here, which one gives you an answer that is closest to 20? Good. So a lot of people said, oh, this one. It is 19. So if we were going to play a game today, what I'm going to do is we're going to look at this piece of paper, and under each of these pieces of paper there are 3 numbers, and we're going to add them. And we're going to pick 2 numbers to add together to get close to 20 but not going over. Okay, so for example, I was playing this game and I got the numbers 7, 8, and 10. I flipped it over and I got 7, 8, and 10. I'm going to pick 10 and 8 because I know 10 plus 8 is 18. And the way we're going to keep score is we're going to see how much more we need to get to 20, or what the difference is between 18 and 20. So how many more do I need to get from 18 to 20? I'll show you that on my number rack. So I have 18. How many more do I need until 20? That is true. I need 2 more. So my score for that round would be 2. Okay. We'll do one more practice round. So imagine it was your turn, and you flipped it over and you saw the numbers 6, 9, and 8. And you're going to pick 2 numbers to add together to get really close to 20 but not going over. So what 2 numbers are you going to add? I'll let you pause and think about it. Good. So some people said, oh, what about 9 and 8? Because that equals 17. Now, 17, how far or how many more do I need to get to 20? So I have 17. How many more do I need until 20? What is the difference between 17 and 20? The difference is 3. Good job. All right, so as you're watching this video, what I want you to do is try solving these equations at home with a whiteboard marker, or you can use paper pencil. You can use draw pictures to help you solve these equations. So I'm going to go first. And I'm going to pick, this guy. So I got 7, 6, and 11. Let's see. I know that 7 plus 6 is 13. 6 plus 11 is 17. And 11 plus 7 is 18. So I'm going to say 18. So I'm going to circle these two numbers. And let's see, I have 11 plus 7. And so 11 plus 7 is 18. And let me see if I can figure out this answer. How far am I from 20? So I have 18. So let's see. How far am I from 20? What's the difference between 18 and 20? 2. So my score for that round is 2. All right. Now, if you've been watching this and you've been noticing this bear hanging out in my background, the reason why is because I was supposed to do this with a class, and both of my friends who I live with are at work right now, so I'm going to use my bear, and he's going to play for you guys. His name is Dusty. And so, Dusty, which one do you want to pick? Okay, so he picked this one. Let's see what he got. Dusty, you see what he got? Let me see. So he's got a 4, a 5, and a 13. So, class, what do you think the two numbers we need to add to get really close to 20, but not going over? I'll let you pause the video and let you think about it. Oh my goodness, I heard somebody yell all the way over here. Miss Chen, what about 13 plus 5? 13 plus 5 is how many? 18. Good. And how far is 18 from 20? What is the difference? How many more do we need to get to 20 from 18? So we have 18. And how many more do we need? 2. So your score is 2. That means we're tied right now. My gosh. Okay. It is my turn now. I'm going to pick, let's see. Which one should I pick? I'm going to pick this. Nope. Yeah, I'm going to pick this one. It says 4 plus 5, I'm sorry, 4, 5, and 8. So what two numbers should I pick to get really close to 20 and not go over? I know 4 plus 5 is 9. I know that 8 plus 4 is 12. What about 5 plus 8? That's 13. That's really close. So I'm going to circle 13, 5, and 8. So I got 13. And how far, or what's the difference between 13 and 20? So I have 13. How many more, or what is the difference between 13 and 20? That is true. It is 7. So I'm going to write 7. That means I'm winning. My gosh. Okay. All right, Dusty, you're going to play for the students. All right. Which one do you want? That one? Are you sure? Okay. Let's see. Dusty picked a good one for you guys. Oh, it is a good one. Let's see. So Dusty picked this one for you. 10, 6, and 9. So what two numbers can we add to get really close to 20 without going over. Figure it out on your whiteboards or your pencil or on your papers, and I'll wait for you. Oh my goodness. I heard somebody say, Miss Chen, 10 and 9. So what does 10 plus 9 equal? 19. How many more do we need to get to 20 from 19? How many more? 1. Good job. So right now I have 2 plus 7. You have 2 plus 1. All right. It is now my turn. I think I'm going to go with this guy over here. So, oops, uh-oh, did I knock something over? No, I did not. Okay, so 5, 6, and 4 are my numbers. I'm going to think of something that gets close to 20, but doesn't go over. I know that 6 plus 4 is 10. I know 5 plus 4 is 9. What about 6 plus 5? That's 11. I'm going to circle those because that is the greatest number or the biggest number I found. Okay. Now, how many more do I need to get to, if I have 11, oops, if I have 11, what is the difference between 11 and 20? How many do I need more to get to 20? 9? Good job. All right, so I'm going to write 9. And I forgot to tell you this, but whichever team has the least amount altogether in this part wins. So right now I have 2, 7, 9. You have 2 and 1. So I think that means 2 plus 1 is 3. That means you guys are winning right now because you have less points than me. Interesting. All right, Dusty, wake up. Okay. Dusty, can you pick one for the students, please? He's thinking. That one? Sure? All right. Let's go see. All right, Dusty. Oh, gosh. He picked one that has 8, 5, and 11. So what two numbers can you add that won't go over 20, but get really close? I heard somebody shout, Miss Chen, 5 and 11, 5 and 11. What is 5 plus 11? Good, it is 16. And if we have 16, how far are we from 20? What is the difference between 16 and 20? So we have 16. How many more until 20? 4. So that means you guys get 4 points. All right, let's see, it's my turn. A little nervous because it looks like I'm losing. Whew. Let's see, I'm gonna pick this one. And this one says 11 plus 11, 10, and 9. I'm going to pick 11 and 9 because I know 11 and 9 equals 20. Good job. Now, if I have 20, how far am I from 20? 0. So, that's my score right now. All right, Dusty, it is your turn now. Which one would you like to pick? That one? Are you sure? Okay. That one. Okay. All right, sir. Let's see what you got. So I have 7, 6, and 4. So think about what two numbers you can add, and it's really close to 20, but doesn't go over 20. Really close, but does not go over. Give you a couple seconds to think about it, a couple seconds to work on your whiteboards or papers to think about it at home. And when you're ready, let me know. So I heard some people go, Miss Chen, I'm noticing that 6 plus 4 is 10, and that's pretty far from 20, so I'm not going to pick that one. 7 plus 4 is 11. That's still a little bit far. What about 7 plus 6? That's 13. That's pretty close. So 7 plus 6 is 13. What is the difference between 13 and 20? So I have 13. How many more do I need to get to 20? 7. So that means you guys get 7 points. Haha, that means that's a big number. Okay. So right now, our score is, mine is 2, 7, 9, and 0. Yours is 2, 1, 4, and 7. All right. All right, Dusty, this is your very last turn. You ready? You sure? Okay. Make this one count. That one? Okay. Let's see what we got. So Dusty picked this one for you guys. Oops. It is 8, 9, and 12. So what two numbers can we add to get really close to 20 and not go over? Somebody said, oh, I know, Miss Chen. What about 8 plus 9? That's 17. Is there another answer that we can think of? What about 9 plus 12? No, that's 21. So let's try 12 and 8. And that is 20. And how far are you away from 20 if you're at 20? 0. So that is 0 for you. And then this is my last turn. This one says 10, 9, and 8. Let me think about this. Oh, I know. 10 and 9, because that is 19. And if I have 19, how far am I? Or what is the difference between 19 and 20? What is the difference between 19 and 20? It is 1. That is true. All right. So gonna add these numbers up and see who has won. See, 10, 19. Let's see here. 3, 7, 14. So our final score. Are you ready? Okay. It looks like Miss Chen got 19 and class got 14. So that means you guys won. Woo! All right. So that is the end of today's math lesson. Be great. Listen to your grown-ups. Be safe, be well, be healthy, and I'll see you next week. Love you.